Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome if you're new. So this is the latest I've ever filmed a video. It's like 7 o'clock at night, but we just got back from Walmart. I have not been to a Walmart since I think before this year started, or like right at the beginning of this year, and it's almost 2021. So I have a grocery haul. We did spend 217 or 77, I don't know which. We did spend quite a bit, and you will not see that amount of money in the grocery portion because Aaron bought lights for his truck and all sorts of other things. But I will show you what we got for groceries and then two other things that are not grocery haul related because I just love them and I figured y'all may want to know what they are. So let's hop into this grocery haul. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kimmy. I post mostly cleaning and organizing related videos, but I like to throw in these grocery hauls and just regular hauls every now and then to spice it up a little bit. So let's get into this grocery haul, shall we? Alright, so I'm going to go pretty fast. I have really no plan what I'm going to cook, but there's a lot of junk food here, to be honest, and then just like canned foods and stuff. I mostly just every week have to fill in the gaps of what we already have, so it's never like a complete never bought grocery before grocery haul. Alright, so let's see, I'm just grabbing whatever. Look at these Sister Schubert's sausage wrap rolls. You heard it right. I had no idea these existed, but it was a lot cheaper to just buy it already done than it is to try to make them yourself. So yeah, I think this was like $2, and they're already rolled up in their little rolls. So I thought that was awesome. I only got a big bag of dinner rolls, Rice Krispie treats. I thought this would be good to try. Like we don't have a lot of this stuff at Food Lion, so that's why I wanted to go to Walmart. And I saw Fearfully Created's Walmart haul, and I told Aaron, I was like, I really want to go to Walmart. So I got some cinnamon honey butter. I got that for the rolls. I thought it'd be really good. Got some maple brown sugar oatmeal, that's my favorite, and then some strawberry and cream, that's my second favorite. Sausage balls. These are, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but they looked really good, so I picked them up. They look pretty good. I figured those could be like heated and just have one for breakfast. Alright, so some seasonings. Garlic Parmesan. These were 88 cents. Lemon and pepper. Brown gravy. These were like 30 cents. Country gravy. Oh, this got in here. Of course, we can't go to Walmart without picking up fishing stuff, so some Bobby Garland. Anyways, these plates were 50 cents each, and our 4 plates, they've been microwaved to death, and I thought it would have the price on the back. They've also been cut on to death, so it's just nice. I'll show y'all an example. I'm pretty sure all of our plates look like this, but let's see. Well, that's not a good example. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's an example. So, can y'all see? That's melted from being in the microwave. Like you can really tell on the back. So this is one that I'd probably get rid of. And I'm so happy to have some new ones. 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. And they're thick. And are these microwave safe? Dishwasher safe, microwave safe. And they are by Mainstay. And they have lots of different colors if you don't like this color. So, definitely got some of those. I think I got 4 of them. Boiled peanuts. These are my favorites. I like the plain ones too, but the hot and spicy ones are my favorite. And y'all, they're really not even that spicy at all. But I could sit there and eat the whole can of that. Our gas station has those too, but because of what's going on right now, I really don't like getting food that anybody can dip their hand into. Well, not hand, but you know what I mean. These are buttermilk biscuits. They were $1 something, $1.42. And then these are the original flaky ones. And I like these because there's only 5 in the can. And I normally just get the big cans, but I always end up throwing away 2 or 3 biscuits. These were 30 cents. 38 cents. 38 cents for corn. I'm just freaking out because at Food Lion, canned corn, it comes like this, where you have to use a can opener, and it's like pretty much a dollar. These are fancy. They come with a thing that it just pops it open, which I love, and they don't cost any extra. And then 2 cans of green beans, a can of carrots. I feel like I already have 1 can of carrots. Oh, I got peppermint mocha for me. Aaron, I don't think likes that flavor, so I got him the frosted sugar cookie flavor. Hopefully he likes that one. Seasoned fries. These were only $1 something, like $1.88. Meatballs. These were like almost 4 something, I think, which is crazy. So this is one of the non-food items. It's Secret Clinical. This stuff is a bomb. It's expensive, but it's worth it, especially if you get a little stinky. You will not get stinky wearing that. Okay, so I got 2 of these because I have some chicken in the freezer already, and then I've got the meatballs and pizza and all this stuff, so I just got 2 things of meat. Steakhouse and mushroom, this one was $7.18, and then this one was $6.24, and it's the garlic mustard one. This one sounds good to me. Okay, so strawberry rolls. Did I tell y'all I got some chow chow? I remember telling y'all in another video that I wanted sauerkraut, and I think this is sauerkraut. Is chow chow sauerkraut, or is that 2 different things? Aaron?
What?
Is chow chow sauerkraut, or is that 2 different things?
I'm not sure.
Because it does look a little bit different than sauerkraut.
I'm not sure.
It's not focusing, but that's okay. Alright, and then the other non-food thing is this little blanket. These are by Mainstay too, and they have different colors. I'm really not a fan of the colors they have this year, but this is the only, like, they're all solid colors except for this one, and then like a blue plaid one, but I already have the blue plaid one from a year, like years ago. So we got Chloe this one, and they're $2.50. So they're fine for like people too, but I always get these for Chloe because it makes her feel special, especially because she's an old dog and she don't really play with toys. So I get her blankets instead, and she really likes it. Okay, I got 4 of these little chicken pot pies, so I can have 2 and Aaron can have 2 because he says 1 is just not big enough. They do have the family size ones too, but I just got these. Okay, and then I don't remember if I've ever had the Walmart brand pizzas. I've had the Food Lion brand pizzas. I don't like them, but I got the Walmart brand pizzas. They were $2.89, and I just got 2 in this flavor, the 3-meat pizza. Then I got some bacon. I don't know if Aaron's gonna like this bacon. Yes or no?
Maybe.
There was too many people over there, so I just grabbed the closest one to me. Well, it was cheaper. It was okay. It was $4. They had the one that I got last week, but it was also like $6. And then they had like $17 things of bacon. And I thought about it. I really did think about it. I thunk real hard. And then I thunk not. Yeah, also their regular meat is expensive there. Like, these are normally, the Smithfield ones, these are normally buy one, get one free at Food Lion. Food Lion's meat prices are cheaper than Walmart. But Food Lion's food prices, like this stuff, are more money. So, and I don't like going to 2 places to buy groceries. I think that's stupid. Because you spend, while you spending gas to go to the second grocery store, you could have just paid a little bit more at the grocery store you were at. That's just my opinion. Rachel Roy. Nourish Peak dog food. I got this for Chloe last week because they were out of her food that she likes, but she loves this stuff, so now she has new food to eat. And that is everything other than drinks. So we got a bunch of Mountain Dews, Diet Mountain Dews, Pepsi, and Diet Pepsi. That's what we always get. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. It's free. And I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another video, and it will probably be cleaning related. Bye!
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who